Hey kids, this is your best friend Shema Joy. Now that we've read the book, a picture book of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., it's time to explore. When Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a little boy, he loved to explore, just like us. We know this because in the story, he loves to read. Let's join little Martin in an exploration. When we explore, we dig deeper and go on a journey into the questions that challenge us and make us think about the story. It's like we're on a jungle safari. So grab your exploration worksheet, jump into the Civil Rights Jeep, and hold on to your seat. Where is my magic pen? There you go. If you kids are ready, let's get started. Your exploration worksheet is the one with the camping backpack and the binoculars. Here's the first stop on our exploration. The author of A Picture Book of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. is David A. Adler. When an author writes a book, there's a main point. That's the purpose the author wants to get across. The main purpose of the story isn't just who the book is about, but what's the big idea that the book teaches us. So here's our first exploration question. Awesome drum roll, please. What do you think was the main purpose the author wanted us to learn from this book? In other words, what big idea is he trying to teach us? Once you come up with your idea, write it down on the worksheet in the section next to the compass. I'm really excited about this first one. Do you want to hear my idea? I think the main purpose of this book is to teach us that we can change unfair laws. Not with violence, but with peace. Like Dr. King. We make a great team. Let's keep exploring. On to number 2. Have you ever heard of cause and effect? A cause and effect, it's when one event makes another event happen. It's kind of like the time you ate too much pizza, which caused your tummy to hurt. I love pizza. Martin Luther King, he loved equality. So here's exploration number 2. Awesome drum roll, please. Do you think anything happened when Martin Luther King was a kid that made him want to stand up for equality? If so, give me one example from our story. Write it down on our worksheet. Under the thermos. Can I share my answer with you? I think that not being able to play on the playground made Martin want to stand up for equality. My guess is that we're doing a good job on this worksheet. But let's dig deeper. Now for our final stop on the exploration. Do you remember when Martin Luther King's house was bombed? Yeah, that was not cool. In fact, that was violent. But when Martin Luther King disagreed with the rule, he did not use violence as a solution. Instead, he asked his followers to protest peacefully. When they marched, they carried signs and sang songs. Songs like, "We shall overcome." The marches and the songs helped to get their message out. Over time, the rules changed, and Martin Luther King was a success. But I have an exploration question. Number 3. Awesome drum roll, please. Based on events you remember from the book, why might peaceful protesting be better than violent protesting? I mean, there must be a reason. Maybe you can think of a reason. Go ahead. Write your reason down on Martin's exploration worksheet under the lantern. I just know that we came up with great ideas. Want to check out my idea? I think peaceful protesting is better because if we use our words like Dr. King, fewer people will be hurt. Wow! We've done a lot of exploring. In our next video, we'll work together to explain what we've learned and what it means. This is your best friend, Shemaya Joy from Lit Kids. Let's keep turning the pages of our favorite books.